continue our chapter Death of a Partner. In our previous lecture, we were discussed how to calculate share of profit of a deceased partner. We will calculate two methods on time basis and on turnover basis. On turnover or sales basis. We will discuss how to calculate share of profit of a deceased partner. Today we will discuss treatment of goodwill of a deceased partner. Treatment of goodwill. Treatment of goodwill is calculated as we has been discussed on retirement of a partner. Same that method which we follow. Treatment of goodwill is divided by two ways. First, when goodwill account is not opened, जब गुडविल अकाउंट ओपन नहीं होता है, एंड द सेकेंड व्हेन गुडविल अकाउंट इज ओपन. फर्स्ट इज नॉट ओपन, द नेक्स्ट वन इज ओपन. Here you can say when value of goodwill of a deceased partner is calculated through capital account. When value of goodwill of a deceased partner is calculated through capital account, and in that case value of goodwill of a deceased partner is calculated through goodwill account. There are two methods: when goodwill account is not open and when goodwill account is opened. What will be the entry when goodwill account is not open? Entry will be gaining partners capital account debited to deceased partners capital account. This entry is passed when goodwill account is not opened in gaining ratio. And what journal entry is passed when goodwill account is opened? First, when goodwill is raised, what will be the entry? Goodwill account debited to all partners capital account. Goodwill account means value of goodwill and to all partners in their old ratio. When goodwill account is open, two journal entries passed. First one is goodwill account debited to all partners capital account, mean goodwill raised. The second entry passed, goodwill account, partners capital accounts debited, gaining partners capital account debited to goodwill account, means goodwill written off in their new ratio. goodwill written off. Goodwill written off. When goodwill account is not open, only single entry is passed. Gaining partners capital account debited to deceased partners capital account. When goodwill account is open, two journal entries are passed. First, for goodwill raised, goodwill account debited to all partners capital account. The second one, goodwill written off, gaining partners capital account debited to goodwill account. Let's take an example. Let's take an example. Three partners, assuming there are three partners A, B and C. Ratio 4:3:1. B died. B died on 1st April 2019. Or it has provided in partnership deed. पार्टनरशिप डीड में उन्होंने पहले ही एग्रीमेंट बना रखा है. ऑन डेथ ऑफ एनी पार्टनर हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल इज वैल्यूड एट हाफ ऑफ हिज प्रॉफिट क्रेडिट टू हिज अकाउंट ऑफ लास्ट 4 years previous या 4 completed years. Try to understand. On death of a partner, his share of goodwill is valued at 50%. Here you can say half of his profit credited to his account of last 4 completed year. जो लास्ट 4 years का कंप्लीटेड प्रॉफिट होगा उसका 50% प्रॉफिट है. वो जो 50% प्रॉफिट आएगा वो वैल्यू उसकी गुडविल मानी जाएगी. वी हैव गिवन द लास्ट 4 years प्रॉफिट फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर इट्स ₹1,20,000. सेकेंड इट्स ₹60,000. थर्ड ईयर देर इज ए लॉस ऑफ ₹20,000. And fourth year there is a profit of ₹80,000. Now we will calculate the profit. 180, 260, it means 240. Profit of last 4 years is ₹2,40,000. Now we calculate B share. B share is 4318. It means 3/8. It means B share is 90,000. Now we have calculate the share of profit B. Now we have calculate value of goodwill. 90,000. हाफ जो प्रॉफिट की हाफ वैल्यू होगी वो उसका शेयर ऑफ गुडविल होगा. तो इसका हाफ करेंगे. 90,000 हाफ मीन 45,000. 45,000 is the B shares of goodwill. Now we have calculated the value of goodwill of B. Now we will do by applying two methods. When goodwill account is not open, then only single journal entry is passed. What will be the entry? Gaining partners capital account debited to deceased partner capital account in gaining ratio. Assume their new ratio among A and C is 3:2. First we will calculate gaining ratio. How to calculate gaining ratio? New ratio minus old ratio. New ratio among A and C is 3/5 and 2/5. Old ratio is 4 by 8 and 1 by 8. What will be the LCM? 40, 20 means 4 by 40, 11 by 40. So gaining ratio among A and C is 4:11. Now 45,000 will be distributed among gaining partner. 4:11. What will be the entry? A's capital account debited, C's capital account debited to B's capital account. This is partner capital account. It's 45,000, 12,000 and 33,000. 45,000 is distributed in gaining ratio. Now second account, when goodwill account is open. When goodwill account is opened, then two journal entries are passed. First, goodwill raised, goodwill account debited to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account. Now B share is goodwill is rupees 45,000. His share is 3 by 8. We gross up and calculate the all three partners value of total value of goodwill is 8 by 3 means 1,20,000. Goodwill is 1,20,000. Now it will distribute it among in their old ratio. What will be the share? 60,000, 45,000 and 15,000. Now it will be written off. What will be the entry? A's capital account debited, C's capital account debited to goodwill. Goodwill is 1,20,000. It will be written off in new ratio. Then 72,000 and 48,000. This is the treatment of goodwill when there is a deceased partner in partnership. So two methods are followed when goodwill account is not open and when goodwill account is open. Now we will do how to prepare deceased partner's capital account and his executor account. Now we will prepare deceased partner's capital account and his executor account. How to prepare? Assume there are three partners X, Y and Z. Z died on 31st of December 2019. Z की डेथ हुई है तो अब हम देखेंगे हाउ टू प्रिपेयर Z's कैपिटल अकाउंट. Now prepare Z's capital account. Always remember, जो भी पार्टनर्स को मिलना होता है that is taken on credit side. जो पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल को इंक्रीज करती है आइटम दैट्स आर टेकन ऑन क्रेडिट साइड. जो डिक्रीज करती है दैट आर टेकन ऑन डेबिट साइड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल always we start the partners capital account with their capital that is given in balance sheet. So Z capital is rupees 2,50,000. So we will write here by balance brought down by rupees 2,50,000. Clear? Now there is another word. There is journal reserve. Journal reserve is there 50,000. His share 1/8 share by journal reserve. Total 50,000. 1 day share is 6,250. 6,250. Now there is another one Z's loan. लाइबिलिटी साइड गिवन है. इट्स मीन जेट ने फर्म को लोन दे रखा है तो अब हमें उसको वापस करना है. बाय जेट्स लोन अकाउंट ₹50,000. नाउ वी हैव रिटर्न द लोन विथ इंटरेस्ट by interest on loan If partnership nothing is mentioned, 6% is given, interest on loan, so value will be 2250. Now there is all are taken. Now there is Z died on 31st of December and his share of profit is calculated on previous year profit. Previous year profit we have given rupees 2 lakh. Share of profit of deceased partner. It is given on time basis. Previous is profit rupees 2 lakh. His share Z died 1/8 share. And timing, he died on 31st December, means 9 months. 1st April to 31st December, 9 by 12 mean 18750. His share of profit we will write here by profit and loss suspense account. 18750. We have calculated his share of profit on time basis, mean last year previous year profit, his share and time 18750. Now we will calculate his value of goodwill. Now it is already given how to calculate value of profit. First we calculate 4 years average profit on basis of 3 years purchase. So we have calculated for 8, 6, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. Average profit is 20 lakh upon May 4, it's mean 5 lakh. 5 lakh average profit is there. Number of purchase year 3 is given. 3 purchase number of years given, mean value of goodwill is 15 lakh. Value of goodwill is 15 lakh. Now we calculate Z's share of goodwill. 15 lakh into 1 by 8. So his share will be 1,87,650. 1,87,650. 15 lakh into 1 by 8. Sorry, it's not 1,87,650. It's 500. 1,87,500. His share of goodwill. Now it is distributed in gaining ratio. What will be the entry? X capital account debited, Y's capital account debited to Z's capital account. Share of goodwill is distributed in their gaining ratio. When you calculate gaining ratio, old ratio minus new ratio, it will be 6:1. So what will be the ratio? 1,60,740 and 2,26,786. So we will write here by X capital account, by Y's capital account. So now we will write by X capital, by Y capital, 1,60,714, 1,60,714 and 26,786. Now all the items which increase his share of capital, all items are taken on credit side. Now drawings are there rupees 18,000. We will take 2 drawings. 2 drawings are 18,000. Clear? Now we make the total. 5,14,750. 5,14,750. Remaining amount will be transferred to his executor account, to Z executor's account. 5,14,750 minus 18,000, it's 4,96,750. Now clear how to prepare deceased partners capital account. आपने जो भी उसको देना है, जो भी उसकी कैपिटल है उस पर इंटरेस्ट है, कोई रिजर्व है, गुडविल है, उसका प्रॉफिट और शेयर है, ऑल आइटम्स आर टेकन ऑन क्रेडिट साइड. जो हमने उससे लेना है दैट विल बी टेकन ऑन डेबिट साइड. रिमेनिंग अमाउंट वी विल पे टू Z मीन दिस इज पार्टनर. नाउ हाउ टू प्रिपेयर एग्जीक्यूटर अकाउंट. We will write here by Z's capital account. Which amount we have to pay? 4,96,750 to balance carry down. 4,96,750. This is all about death of a partner. In previous topic, how to calculate his share of profit. In that lecture, how to calculate his share of goodwill and how to prepare deceased partner capital account and his executor account. Goodbye.